Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is Zainul Abidin and you are watching Geeks of IT, a series of video lectures on Management Information System. This is the second lecture on Management Information System, and in this lecture we are going to discuss the following topics: organizational levels and classification of information system. Normally, organizations are divided into operational management level, tactical management level, and strategic management level. And information requirement at each level differs from each other. Understanding the various levels of an organization is essential to understand the information required by the user who operate at their respective levels. And the following diagram shows different organizational levels, and at the right side of the diagram is the information system that is used at each level, and the right side shows the decision structure, the decision made at each level of the organization. Normally, at the operational level is concerned with performing day-to-day business transactions of the organization. Example of user at this level of management include cashier at a point of sale, bank tellers, nurses in a hospital, customer care staff, etc. User at this level make structured decision. This means that they have defined rules that guide them while making decisions. For example, if a store sells item on credit and they have a credit policy that has some set limits on the borrowing, all the salesperson need to decide whether to give credit to a customer or not is based on the current credit information from the system. Second level of management is tactical management, and at this level is dominated by middle level managers. These are normally heads of departments and supervisors, etc. The user at this level usually oversee the activities of the user at the operational management level. Tactical user makes semi-structured decision. The decision are partially based on set guidelines and judgment calls. As an example, a tactical manager can check the credit limit and payment history of a customer and decide to make an exception to raise the credit limit for a particular customer. The decision is partially structured in the sense that the tactical manager has to use existing information to identify a payment history that benefits the organization and an allowed increase percentage. Third level of the management is the strategic management level, top level of management in any organization, and this is the most senior level in an organization. The user at this level makes structured decision. Senior level managers are concerned with long-term planning of the organization. They use information from tactical managers and external data to guide them when making unstructured decisions. And the information system used at this level, who support this level, is the decision support system. Information system that support the tactical management is management information system, and information system that support the operational management of an organization is the transaction processing system. Classification of information system. Information systems are normally classified based on the usage of information. Therefore, an information system in an organization can be broadly classified into two types, and that is the operation support systems and management support system. Operation support system are those systems that supports day-to-day activities of an organization. In an organization, data input is done by the end user, which is processed to generate information products, for example, reports, which are utilized by internal and or external users, such as a system is called operation support system. And the purpose of the operation support system is to facilitate business transactions, control production, support internal as well as external communication, and update organization central database. Types of operation support system. Operation support system is further divided into transaction processing system, processing control system, and enterprise collaboration system. Transaction processing system are used to record day-to-day business transaction of the organization. They are used by user at the operational management level. The main objective of a transaction processing system is to answer routine questions such as how a specific device or a specific thing is sold today, how much inventory do we have at hand, what is the outstanding due for a specific customer or a specific supplier. By recording the day-to-day business transaction processing system provide answer to above questions in a timely manner. The decision made by operational managers are routine and highly structured. The information produced from the transaction processing system is very detailed. Transactions can be normally divided into batch transaction processing, where all the transactions are grouped together and processed in a batch, and single transaction processing, where each transaction is processed alone, and real-time transaction processing. These transactions are processed on a real-time basis in system that have a short deadline. Examples of transaction processing system include point of sale system that records daily sales history, payroll system which process the employee's salary, loans management, etc., and the stock control system which keep track of the inventory levels. Process control system. In a manufacturing organization, certain decisions are made by a computer system without any manual intervention. In this type of system, critical information is fed to the system on a real-time basis, thereby enabling process control. Third type of information system is enterprise collaboration system. And enterprise collaboration system are used in organization where there is more stress on team effort or collaboration across different functional teams. A system which enables collaboration across different functional teams by improving communication and sharing of data is referred to as enterprise collaboration system. Management support system. Management support system are those systems which provide support to the managers of the organization. Manager requires precise information in a specific format to understand an organization to undertake an organizational decision. A system which facilitates an efficient decision-making process for manager is called management support system. Management support system are essentially categorized as management information system, decision support system, and expert system. Management information system provides information to managers, facilitating the routine decision-making process. Management information systems are used by tactical managers to monitor the organization's current performance status. The output from a transaction processing system is used as input to a management information system. The management information system also analyzes the input with routine algorithms, for example, aggregation, compare, and summarizes the result to produce reports that tactical manager use to monitor, control, and predict future performance. For example, input from a point of sale system can be used to analyze trends of products that are performing well and those that are not performing well. This information can be used to make future inventory orders, for example, increasing orders for well-performing products, and to reduce the orders of a product that are not performing well. Examples of management information system include sales management system, budgeting system, and human resource management system. Sales management systems, they get input from the point of sale system. The budgeting system give an overview of how much money is spent within the organizations and for the short and long terms. And human resource management systems controls and manage the overall welfare of the employees, staff, turnover, etc. Tactical managers are responsible for the semi-structured decision, and MIS system provide the information needed to make the structured decision, and based on the experience of a tactical manager, they can make judgment calls, for example, predict how much of goods or inventory should be ordered for the second quarter based on the sale of first quarter. Decision support system. Decision support systems provide information to managers facilitating specific issues related solution. Decision support systems are used by senior management to make non-routine decisions, and decision support system use input from internal system, that is the transaction processing system and the management information system, and also from external systems. The main objective of decision support system is to provide solution to a problem that are unique and change frequently. Decision support system answer questions such as what would be the impact of employees' performance if we double the production lot at the factory, and what would happen to our sales if a new competitor entered the market. And decision support system use sophisticated mathematical models and statistical techniques, probabilities, predictive modeling, etc. to provide solution, and they are very interactive. Examples of a decision support system include financial planning system and bank loan management system. Expert system. Expert system is a knowledge-based information system that uses its knowledge about a specific area to act as an expert to user. Normally, expert system has three main components. First component of expert system is the user interface. It's the component through which the user interact with the experts. with the expert system. Second component of the expert system is knowledge base. Knowledge base where all the knowledge from expert of that domain is feed, and inference engine are used to infer the knowledge to provide uh, or to give solution to user. Inference engines are used to infer the knowledge base of expert system and to provide it expertise to user. Normally, artificial intelligence systems mimic human expertise to identify patterns and large data sets. Companies such as Amazon, Facebook, and Google, etc., use artificial intelligence techniques to identify data that is most relevant to us. Let us use Facebook as an example. Facebook usually make very accurate predictions of people that you might know or went to schools. They use the data that we provide to them, the data that our brand provide, and based on this information make predictions of people that we might know. Amazon uses artificial intelligence techniques to suggest products that we should buy also based on what we have already got. Google also use artificial intelligence to give us most relevant search results based on our interaction with Google and our location. These techniques have greatly contributed in making these companies very successful because they are able to provide value to their customers. That's for today's lecture. Thank you for watching, and for more videos and update, subscribe our channel.